Talk about your ensembles. Who are you guys dressed as?
Yeah, put a lot of work into it.
Poison Ivy
and Black Widow.
Are there any guests that you're really excited to see?
Quite a few. Stan Lee's going to be awesome tomorrow.
Definitely.
I want to meet Xander from Buffy.
Nicholas Brendan, right?
Yes. Oh my God, I'm excited for that one. And
I'm a big Princess Bride fan, so
Carrie Ells, yep.
excited about that.
Yeah, so this is
But
fun.
overall, it's just an awesome experience.
Back at the Incredible Hulk, are you surprised that it still resonates and that people still love it so much, so many years after?
Yeah, I would never expect the time I did the TV series that would be a huge convention like this. I used to do car show, but I'm really excited how the comic book convention taken off. Comic book, pop culture, and especially now it's always on the uprise.
Well, how did the whole role of Bill Adama come about for you? Was that something that you were approached with, or?
Yeah, they called me up and they asked me if I'd read the script, and I read the script,